Today we're gonna spend a day in Paju with some friends of mine. We're getting ready to take this up. Let's go. Are you ready to go to Paju?
Got your face on my timeline. Yeah. Haven't seen you in months. Sure you ran through my mind, but not 'cause I missed your love. Chalk it up to bad timing, but I bled through my shirt. Though I put it behind me, seeing your face still hurts. My God, I can't get rid of the bitterness. Oh my God, you bred the demons I'm living with. I can't believe I loved you, knowing how much I hate you now. And if I'm honest, I can't even
We arrived in Paju and we're on our way to our first cafe. The weather is so pretty. Oh my god, I love it. With my 친구s.
When the moon shine, you wake up. Tell me how you wanna call it love. I cannot recall it us. All you give me is just lightning. All you give me is just frightening. So distant, baby, slow. Let me show you what you really feel. Don't lie to me, baby, don't lie to me, baby, Got me all twisted, I'm just trying to see. You've been alive, oh my baby, you feel. I don't know where you are, tell me you're here. Got it, baby, can't wait for me. I just want you, you ready, you ready, you ready, yeah. Got it, baby, can you wait for me? I just want you, you ready, you ready, you ready, yeah. I gave you my time and my patience. Tell me, what more do you want? Can't help but to think
I love fall. So pretty.
what you want about, girl. Mine is filled with doubt. When you talking to me with the big square body, the wheels got tucked in.
이거 라이브로 들으면 진짜 좋겠다.
Sunday killing. Everyone was watching you moving in the beat, 'cause it's swerving in the street just to get a glimpse of you. You were posing for them, yeah, you were strutting for them, 'cause you know just what you do. So if I never touch you, baby, you should know I'm going crazy. I can't help myself anymore, 'cause I've been looking for the one and I would think I found your love, 'cause things have never been this good before. 'Cause you're dancing in the corner, you're dancing how you wanna, I can't help but smile. And then I started tapping feet and bed, we moving to the beat, yeah. Summer nights with you that I never thought I would've felt that love I was dreaming of. But my hand is over heels and now you got me, and I just can't breathe with you here, babe. And you should know, you can tell me how you feel, put your heart out if it's real. You can dance till 3 in the morning. Don't wanna pretend like I just wanna be friends. So if I'm being honest too, so if I never told you, baby, you should know.
We arrived at the second cafe.
I'm not looking for closure.
I think I'm in heaven. Look at this, cute. Like such an American style donut. It's the cutest thing I've ever seen. I mean, look at this.
Bitterness. Oh my God, bet the demons I'm living with.
Look at my
If I loved you, knowing how much I hate you now. And if I'm honest, I can't even say your name. I let you know when to let go. You give a little love, a little sun everywhere you go. everywhere you run. You never say a word, even when it hurts. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're smiling. You make it look easy. I don't understand how you can love me the way that I am. I've been having this feeling lately. Memories are stuck inside me. Took them down cause I know I can't forget. Hurt a little but it's fine, I'll just pretend. If you ever need me, I'll be right here. So just call me if you ever need. I'll be waiting even if you don't come back to me. So tell me if you love me too. Words they touch me, those into you. Cause I've been hurt too many times. Say goodbye. If there's shit that you want, I'll let you go. I'll let you go. I'll let you go.
We're at the second restaurant.
I'll let you go.
Light up there. I don't know, the vibe is really nice. I wanted the music to be louder.